Hey everybody, we are here at 550 Tortuga. This beautiful two-story home offers a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage. We have imported tile, beautiful newer carpet, a huge formal living room, dining room combo, ceiling fans, colonial base, 6-panel doors. That's off to the garage. This is the half bath coming in right here. Slide around. This is the breakfast nook area with a beautiful view of the lake out back through the screen room. Over to the left, we have the upgraded kitchen, granite countertops, some stainless steel appliances, nice glass backsplash, 2 sinks, one for prep, one for doing the dishes or vice versa. Six-month-old Samsung washer and dryer. We have a huge pantry. Walk in, lots of shelves. Then when we walk back through the kitchen and breakfast nook, we come into the family room. Very large size, nice carpeting. Take a peek out back while we're right here. Have a nice screen room area. Ceiling fans for those warm days. Take a peek at the L-shaped lake out back and the beautiful oak trees. Walking back into the house, we have a large storage area underneath the stairs. Nice size 2-car garage. Garage door opener. Water heater in the corner. Have horizontal blinds on the windows. A nice stairwell. It's not steep at all. The carpeting on it's nice shape. Going up, we're going to make a right into the master bedroom. It is enormous. We have a small closet here with plenty of shelving for storage and such. Going down the hall, we have one nice walk-in closet. Go a little further, another nice size walk-in closet. Nice garden tub. Double bowl sink. Shower. And water closet area with a door. This is the view from the bathroom. Leaving the master bedroom, going across, We walk into the huge nook area. It's a loft, and it is good size, entertaining area. A full bath for the guest bedrooms. This is bedroom 2. It is a suite, so it has its own ensuite full bath. And a giant walk-in closet that's actually got 2 doors, so it can be a his and hers unit. Leaving that bedroom, zone 1, zone 2, AC systems and heat. This would be bedroom 3, king size bed in there. All the rooms are big in this house. And this is the 4th bedroom. All the rooms pretty much have ceiling fans. Nice home. 550 Tortuga.